of our country. I will forever cherish the useful input of communities profoundly represented by the Under the Tree conversations I had with elders and residents at the foot of Arabal Hills in Baringo, the Kolowa Bridge at the intersection of Baringo and Elgeyo Marakwet counties, and in Lokori and Nadapal in Turkana County. I desire to live to see these parts of our country completely free from the terror of bandits and opened up for socio-economic development as Kenya marches into the future. The strides that we have made in the fight against terrorism, banditry, and other organized crimes received a shot in the arm from the Police Equipment Modernization Program, which was initiated in early 2023, following the orders of President Ruto to modernize the operational and tactical equipment of our security agencies. The 37 billion shilling 5-year program is